Hello, my people. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what? I am going to be sharing with you in this video today. Yeah, over the weekend, I went with my family for a prayer program on a prayer mountain, and I did a little bit of video recording, and I just feel I should share with you guys. I am sure you are going to find it inspiring and exciting. Keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Yes, so guys, we are going on a public transport because my husband had already gone before us, because we had to go in the evening. I had to go to do some work. I had to work before earlier that day, so he had gone earlier before us because he's a pastor and he's going to be officiating. So we have to go and join him later in the evening through public transport. So here we have already alighted from the bus, and we are walking towards the mountain, towards the camping ground of the church. So this is us climbing. Auntie is just refusing to be carried. Yeah, here is us. Welcome to Jesus Power Church. And this is my baby girl trying to do the courtesy. She wants to close the church gate, but the gate is always open though. But this girl wants to close it by fire by force. I don't know. Over courtesy is worrying her. So we are here now. Before we got in here, the morning session has already been ended, and so I met my mom-in-law in the kitchen because my father-in-law is the GO, so I had to join her with the cooking. She was cooking stew, and when the food is ready, this is me being served a ewedu and some runabout with some fish. Like, I need this thing to, and then this is our dearly minister of God breaking his fasts with he has already emptied. And then our auntie, she's facing her own her own bukata, like this. Everyone has this own concern, so she's not even interested in her own about whatever she's trying to since we packed all these stuffs in the bag from home. She had been like, this is my bag, I want to carry my bag, I want to put this in my bag. And she made sure that she put everything in her bag. And here we are. She's trying to, she made sure that she picked this small car, a big truck, or what do they call it. She made sure that she picked it, and I'm just sure that she's having fun. She's enjoying herself. And actually, the major program was going to start in the evening. So this is us in the church. Before the program starts, we got into the church earlier. This was after the choir rehearsal, and I was just carrying her. I was trying to tell her to behave herself and make sure that she sits and she should not roam about. I was just trying to tell her that. Yeah, after the evening service, I said I should just relax a bit. So, and as I was just closing my eyes, I thought I had just closed my eyes for just 30 minutes, and then I heard the bell being jingled like it's already morning. And we are now in the church. We are in the auditorium for the morning service, and it was such a hot one. It was a hot one. The prayers were wonderful. You would not want to pray. It's good to be in the gathering of the people of God. It's really, really good. It was about the program was about the parable of the sower, where some of the things that were planted, some fell on the roadside, some on the rock, some on the good ground. And wherever a seed falls is going to determine the kind of fruit, whether the seed is going to germinate or not. And even if it germinates, the kind of fruit is going to bear. So as human beings, we cannot determine the kind of family where we will be born or whatever, all we can determine is wherever we find ourselves, we just have to make it work. So it was really, really, really great. So this is the next day. It was quite cold because the mountain is in a very secluded area, a lot of bushes and trees and all. So it was cold and we had to pull over. Guys, I should have recorded most of the programs, the actual programs, but man, hey, it's more serious than recording video, so I couldn't even do that. I was busy with prayers and studies, and so I couldn't record the actual program, but you guys would just make do with this that I have recorded, because these are just snippets from my break times, the periods of my break. These are the times I recorded these ones that I am showing, because the program was serious. Like, I couldn't even say that I would hold phone and record anything from the program. Like, I couldn't. It was just a serious program. Yeah, so the program ended, and this is the third day. I told you earlier that the church is home, is my in-laws home. Like, my father-in-law is the GU of the church. So this is the next morning, and I am trying to do some cleaning around the house. Yeah, we are ready to leave. We are leaving. We are leaving. Yeah, 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 yeah. We are leaving. We are descending, and we believe that the spirit, the presence of God, is never, ever, ever going to leave us. We are living refreshed, renewed, happy, stronger, and victorious. Yeah, 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 yeah. Thank you guys for coming through. Thank you for coming to the mountain with us. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I am still your girl Victoria, and this is my family. Thank you, and may God bless you abundantly. Thank you, thank you, thank you for always watching my videos. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to do that now. If you are new here, I'm Victoria, and you are assured of inspiration and excitement all the time you see my video. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, make sure you share with your friends, because you just need to share with them so that they could also get the inspiration that you get. Thank you so much, and do not forget to subscribe. I love you.